Hello my dear student, welcome back for today's session. Oral Science Lesson 4 Patience. Come let me move on to the video session.
Start with words of wisdom. Patience is like a flower that gives out the fragrance of love, faith, hope, and trust. If the flower itself dies out, there will be no sweet smell to please our senses. We often hear about patience being a great virtue. But what is patience? To understand the true meaning of patience, it is better to look at people around whom our lives revolve. Parents and teachers are all embodiments of patience. That is why we like and care for them so much. When we are sad, our parents listen to our problems patiently. When we are unable to grasp any new concept, our teachers explain with great patience. When a child needs to exercise patience when his toys break or when pieces of puzzles do not fit together. Other calls just when a child has started to play, a lot of patience is required on his part to leave the game and go. Active patience. Active patience is very important in our lives. It is the sort of patience we need whether we are young or old. Patient waiting is not to be inactive, lazy, or brooding. Someone asks his mother to play a game of Scrabble with him. His mother says, "You will have to wait till I finish my work." Then she adds, "If you help me in the cleaning, I will be able to finish the work quickly and then both of us can sit and play." Raman agrees to help his mother. He waits for his mother to finish. This is active patience. Raman works and waits for his mother. Similarly, when Hemant wants a bicycle, his father says, "You will have to wait until we can get the money to buy it. You can contribute from your allowance, and I will also give you an equal amount." The waiting for the bicycle is this active patience with useful constructive activity directed towards a definite purpose. Patience with others. Patience should also be exercised in context with other people. This sort of patience comes out kindliness, friendliness, consideration, love, and loyalty. These thoughts give us the patience not to condemn others easily and to forgive them if they go wrong. Ramanujam and Ali studied in the same class and in the same school. They were neighbors. While Ramanujam was excellent in studies, Ali was not good at all. He always needed help. His notes were never complete. He could not follow explanation in class. Ramanujam always tried to help his neighbor and friend. He shares notes and explained everything that Ali could not understand. Rather than utilizing his own study time for this purpose, he sacrificed some of his playtime. He knew that his friend needed help. His patience in dealing with his friend exhibited his consideration, love, and understanding. Patience with ourselves. Patience also displays the quality of hope, faith, and trust. It gives us the moral support we need in order to face all challenges in life. Patience also affects our physical well being. A person who is forever impatient or perpetually in a hurry will have many health problems. He will not be able to eat his meals peacefully. His attitude will put extra pressure on his heart. Not only this, his performance at office or at home will also suffer. Patience with other living creatures. Patience should not only be exercised with human beings, it is also important while dealing with other living creatures on this earth. When we sow a seed, we patiently wait for it to grow into a big plant. Is it possible for the plant to give beautiful flowers as soon as the seed is sown in the pot? Certainly not. We patiently wait for the flowers and fruits by watering it every day and taking care of it. Animals also need our patience. If you try teaching tricks to an animal, he will only respond if you are patient and loving with him. Sometimes children treat their pet animals impatiently. This is not a good trait. Animals are dependent on us for love, affection, and care. An injured puppy or a bird also requires a great amount of patience. It is our love for animals that makes us patient towards them. Thus, it is not at all inappropriate to say that patience is the mother of all virtues. Thank you, children.